Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a lazy cat. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the lazy cat. I'm starting with its head. Here's its ears. And here's another one. Now I'm drawing its eyes. It has a tiny nose. It has mustache. Now I'm drawing its body. Whoa, it's really lazy. Now let's start coloring. I'm using my pink pencil. Now I'm using my brown pencil. I'm using my pink pencil again. Now I'm using my brown pencil again. Coloring is fun. Now I'm using my pencil. Now I'm using the same pencil to create a light gray color. I'm coloring all over its body with my pencil. I'm using my fingertip to blend the color. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.